Hi, I am Revathi, Assistant Professor, Department of Banking and Finance, Erode Arts and Science College, Erode. I am today talking about the cost accounting. Cost meaning Cost means the amount of expenditure, actual or notional, incurred on the attributable to given time is called as the costing. Cost accounting is concerned with recording, classifying, and summarizing cost of determination of cost of products or service, planning, controlling, and reducing such cost as the furnishing and information of management decision making. Then important things of a definition: cost accounting as the application of costing and cost accounting principles, methods and techniques to the science, art, practice of cost control to attainment of profitability. Then main major source of cost accounting is objectives. Objectives of cost accounting. There are 7 classified. Number 1, attainment of cost. Number 2, estimation of cost. Number 3, cost control. Then number 4, cost reduction. Number 5, determining selling price. Number 6, facilitating preparation of financial and other statement. Number 7, providing basis of operating policy. Then major tools of cost terminology. What is mean by cost? Then costing and cost accounting, cost control, job costing and batch costing. Let me start now one by one cost terminology. Then first one, cost. Cost means the amount of expenditure incurred on the particular thing. Then costing. Cost means the process of attainment of costing. Cost accounting is the methods of cost control. Then profitability, attainment of the activity carrying out the planned. Cost control. Cost control means cost by the management, control by the cost of management. Then job cost. Cost production in every order to helps of attainment in profit and loss. Batch costing. Batch costing means production is done. Each batch consists in number of units, determination of optimum quality, and constitution in economic batch. Then elements of cost. Elements of cost is there are three divided to elements. Number 1, material, labor, expenses is under that category for material, lab, direct and indirect. And then second one, labor, direct and indirect, and then expenses, direct and indirect. First one, material, direct material or indirect material. Material is the finished product is known as material. Directly, easily identify the product. A timber in furniture, cloth in dress manufacturing is called as a direct material. Indirect material, one which cannot be easily identify this product. There are 3 level of indirect material: factory level, then office level and selling level. Factory level, for example, here lubricant oil, consumables, etc. Office level, printing and stationery, broom, duster, etc. Selling and distribution level, packing material, printing and stationery, etc. Labor, there are 2 divided categories: direct labor, indirect labor. Which is first of all meaning of labor. Human efforts to procure, convert the material into finished product is called as the labor. Direct labors, which is conveniently identified and attributed as following job, product or process. Indirect labor is one which cannot conveniently identify to attribute wholly particular job, product or process. And examples of indirect labor: factory level, foreman salaries, gatekeeper salaries, etc. Office level, accounting salary, GM salary, manager salary, etc. And selling and distribution level, salesman salary, logistics manager salary, etc. The expenses, Those expenses are material or labor. Direct expenses are those expenses which can to directly allocated a particular job, process or product. Example: excise duty, royalty, special hire charges. Indirect expenses are those expenses which cannot be directly allocated to particular job, process or product. And examples of other expenses: factory level, then office level, and sales and distribution level. Cost classification on the basis of nature, function, direct and indirect, variability, controllability, normality, financial accounting classification, time, planning and control, managerial decision making. Let me start one by one on the basis of classification in cost accounting. First one, nature, material, labor, expenses. Then second one on the basis of function, manufacturing cost, commercial cost. Then on the basis of direct and indirect, direct cost, indirect cost. On the basis of variability, fixed cost, variable cost, semi-variable cost. On the basis of controllability, cost, controllable cost, uncontrollable cost. On the basis of normality, normal cost and abnormal cost. On the basis of financial accounts, capital cost, revenue cost, deferred revenue cost. On the basis of time, historical cost, predetermined cost. On the basis of planning and control, budgeted cost and standard cost. Thank you.